Anxious over their eye, even when the eyes of the public doesn't give a damn about any eye. Who am I? What am I? Where am I? Why am I? When will me be I? Mixed race, displaced, wars being fought on the internet, a series of tubes, nobody understands, discourse analysis, aka translation processes. But is anyone even listening, or is this just another eye to be dismissed and filled with remiss, 1,000 misleading questions, an infinite supply of living eyes that can't keep their tears from their eyes? Black Lives Matter? I don't know more. We just need to pee. This is what an engineer looks like, not your shield. Not my shield? We're not yours. You say the upset are a minority. Things are good now. There is nothing to change. The binds of slavery are gone. Canada is a land of equality. The West, a bastion of freedom. Come on now, get a clue. Everyone knows the highest population is the one that lives in subjugation. Writing this, I reconnect to the squashed, ignored, silenced populations. White people suck, I chant as I try to wash off my mother's skin from my flesh. Not to blame her for the hate in this world. It was she who gave me the weight, the understanding of my privilege here in Canada. Sure, my father, grandmother, and everyone on his side, they're brown to the bone, but baby's got mama's skin. Guess he gets to truly live, and still I try to wash the colors from my skin. It's more than just shame. I just want the carpet to match the drapes, and you might find that vulgar, perverse, sexual, but isn't that what you'd expect from a sand-drenched Lebanese radical? Because I sure don't know what to expect. How can I when white people want me to play the white game and my family wants me to play it too? Isn't that the point? It doesn't matter who you are. We're all white. We're all black. We're all brown. It's a gosh damn spectrum. Different shades of the same cloth. Isn't that the narrative I'm supposed to digest with my factory farmed eggs and slices of bacon in the morning? Because God knows I can't get a manicure in this country. In order to live, in order to survive, make money, get an education, you gotta put on your suit, unwrap your turban, burn your niqab, forget your language, even your name. You get the picture. White's right. Welcome to civilization, the land of equality and multiculturalism. Swear in your citizenship. Bask in the acceptance we'll give you. Equality, multiculturalism, acceptance. Whoa! What now? Ruffle now. There is only conformity. No longer eyes, only eyes, and all the eyes, they sure fucking cry.